Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Better late than never, right? I am off by probably a couple weeks or whatnot, but this is just a quick video to announce the winners of the giveaway. Yay, my first giveaway. You guys know that is now closed. It's been closed for quite a few weeks now, but I just want to go ahead and get this video out there to the winner of that video. The rules of that video was by a certain time you needed to comment to the original, make a comment on the original video, be subscribed to all of my social medias. I now have one new social media, but we'll get that one going in the next giveaway. But this person is the winner of my first giveaway. The winner of this giveaway will get some key ideal, some of my go-to products or whatnot when it comes to cosmetics. They're going to actually get a few gifts, actually a range of different gifts. I'm going to allow that person to share that information and the gifts and so on and so forth if that's what they want to do, because I didn't get a chance to do a video or post for that matter of what the gifts were going to be. Anyway, I just want to say thanks you to everyone who subscribed, who are on my channel and everything, but those who also participated in this giveaway. You guys like my background? This is so cute. I love it so much. My new background. There's actually going to be maybe a quick DIY video of this new background or whatnot. It's just one of the few backgrounds I'm going to be using just, you know, throughout my channel and stuff like that, because you guys know I'm all over the place and we got a lot going on. We have a lot of fun and a lot of life, a lot of different things and experiences on my channel. So, but big thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway. I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway right here. Adrian, I'm sorry, I don't want to butcher this name, but Adrian Maraguan. I'm probably butchering it. That's why I keep posting it all over the screen right here. Miss Adrian or Mr. I just want to be accurate. You have 1 week. Today you have till April 1st to reach out and or reply to this video. You have till April 1st to reply and reach out via this video so we can get connected and I can get your things sent to you. If April does not reply by April 1st, I will select a new winner and make a new video and there will be a new winner. If a new video does not come out within the first week of April, then Miss Adrian me and Miss Adrian have caught up and she is our winner and has her prize should be her winning prizes should be on her way to her via. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel and participating in the video and all that those wonderful things that you like on my channel. Once again, I can't thank you guys enough because I love doing this, but it makes it even fun. It makes it fun and even more enjoyable for me when you guys come along and because you are here and you support, and I believe enjoy and have just as much fun as I do. So until next time, take care of yourself. Take care of each other, guys. Congratulations, Adrian. Hope to be catching up with you soon. Guys, be blessed. I mean, there's a lot of life to live. Live it the best way you can, okay? No judging. Until next time.